Welcome to Vid Gadget. If you're on a quest to whip up the perfect smoothie while embracing the latest tech trends, you've just tuned into the right channel. I'm your tech-savvy fitness enthusiast host, and I'm here to blend together the ultimate guide to the best blenders for your smoothie game. From power-packed performance to cutting-edge features, let's dive into a world where fitness and technology meet in the most delicious way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's blend some magic. Number 5. The nutribullet Pro 900 delivers enhanced speed and strength compared to the original model, yet retains its user-friendly design. With 900 watts of power, it efficiently blends dense foods like nuts, seeds, and hard fruits for a healthier lifestyle. This compact powerhouse transforms ingredients such as strawberries and spinach into smooth and nutritious beverages. Its straightforward push, twist, and blend operation makes it an everyday essential. Most smoothies can be prepared in under 60 seconds, fitting into busy schedules. Cleanup is hassle-free. Detach the blades, rinse, and place cups in the dishwasher's top rack. The nutrition extraction design ensures maximum nutrition from each ingredient. The package includes one power base, one cross blade, two 24-ounce mugs, two sippy lids, two lip rings with handles, one care and instruction manual, one pocket nutritionist, and one blasting for optimum health recipes book. The product complies with North American and Canadian electrical standards. For proper usage, consult the user manual. Number 4. The nutribullet 660 presents ultimate power with its 1100-watt motor, effortlessly pulverizing even tough ingredients and turning ice into snow for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, and sauces. Its professional performance features 3 manual speeds, pulse function, and a single-serve option for on-the-go cups. The stainless steel design ensures durability. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is perfect for creating large batches of frozen drinks and smoothies, while the 16 ounces single-serve cup offers convenience. The blender is versatile, capable of food processing tasks like chopping, mincing, grinding, and blending, making meal preparation a breeze. All parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free, ensuring easy cleaning. The package includes the 1100-watt motor base, 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher with lid, stack blade assembly, 2 16 ounces. To-go cups, 2 spout lids, pro extractor blades assembly, and a 28 recipe inspiration guide. The power cord measures 24 inches or 2 feet in length. Number 3. The Ninja QB3001 SS offers efficient blending with its 700-watt push-to-blend motor base. It excels at nutrient extraction, drawing out vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, including parts often discarded. The frozen blending capability crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients for drinks, smoothies, and treats. Its compact size suits any countertop, featuring user-friendly controls. On-the-go convenience comes from blending directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cup and using the spout lid. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleaning. The package includes the 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 2 16 ounces, Nutri Ninja single-serve cups, 2 spout lids, and a 50 recipe inspiration guide, simplifying your blending experience. Number 2. The Magic Bullet Blender package comprises a 250W motor base, cross blade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, to-go lid, and a 10-second recipe guide. This versatile device handles chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, grinding, and more. Craft smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips with ease. The 250-watt high-torque power base supports various tasks. Its high-impact plastic cups ensure durability. Utilize the included recipe book for quick and delightful dishes, from appetizers to desserts. For vegetable blends, add half a cup of water for a smooth consistency. The Magic Bullet Blender streamlines meal preparation with its compact design and multifunctional abilities. Number 1. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender boasts variable speed control for precise textures, a pulse feature for chunkier recipes, and a 48-ounce container ideal for small family meals. Its durable stainless steel blades handle tough ingredients consistently. The self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance, and a 5-year warranty covers all aspects, including parts, labor, and shipping. The package includes the motor base, 48 ounces container, mini tamper, and cookbook. A versatile appliance for culinary precision. If you liked the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.